Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the screen flickering on the POCO C85. So first, what you guys want to do is adjust the brightness. So let's go over to the settings. I am here on the main page. Now here, what we want to do is we want to go over to display and brightness, and here make sure that we disable the automatic brightness and manage it ourselves. Now after we do that, what we can do, we can go over to the Play Store and install an app called the Screen Dimmer. So let's go over to search and search for the Screen Dimmer, and it's the app called OLED Saver. So it's right here. Now we want to go over and ignore the sponsored apps. We want to go over here. It's from Raw Hacks. So here we want to install it. Now it's only 2 megabytes, so it should take less than a couple of seconds. As you guys can see, it's pending now, so I'll see you guys once it's all done. Now, as you guys can see, we have the app. Now we can click on open, and here let's grant it permission. So we're gonna start off with allow modifying system settings so it can change the brightness. Now we want to give it the accessibility settings. We're going to go to the downloaded apps and here choose the screen dimmer so it can read our screen and see if whenever we're using an overlay, so for example the keyboard, or we're just rotating our screen, so it can match the brightness. Let's click on OK, and here we will have the option to allow notifications for the app. Now here we can enable it. Here we can change it. We can change the brightness just like this. And now if we don't like the app, we can just disable the service. And then let me change it right here. We can just uninstall it here. And here it's very fast. And that's basically what you guys can do. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.